What are you looking around at? What can you see? Oh, hello. Such a big boy, aren't you? Yeah. Show everybody that smile. Big boy smile. Big boy smile. Huh? Whoa. Hello. You are about to flip yourself over there, aren't you? Hi. Getting quite the workout before your nap, huh? Yeah. What? What? You're trying to get that butt up. You're trying to pull those knees in. Chase. Chase. Oh, look at that yawn. You know what that means. We're getting ready to eat and take our nap.